All right, guys, Mercedes panoramic roof lubrication as part of the B service, okay? So what you'll need, in order to do this, you'll need two things. You'll need the paste and you'll need the special lubricating fluid, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is get this thing to tilt up. With the sunroof part tilted up, what we can do is we can apply the special lubricant to each of the rear rails. 3 drops per side. Let's do it right now. Okay, with the sunroof open, you can see that the grease, you apply the grease here, in there, only where the black plastic is, and then also right in here, and you want to go in both little areas right there. Check, clean, and lubricate panoramic roof mechanism. So you want to do this every 2 years or 20,000 miles. Thanks for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe.